Why does isinstance return the wrong value only inside a series map? A call to isinstance returns true outside but false inside a map over a series, and an apply map over a data frame. A call to isinstance for the single value in this series yields true. Inside a map over the series it gives true. But if we try something contingent on that value, say convert to a string, it appears to have returned false and the method isoformat is not called. The actual method call is irrelevant because it's not called.
Looking at the source of .map, it appears that pandas is checking if type of the series is an extension type. As Ott points out, this will behave differently for different time zones. When .map is called, it checks pd.api.types.is_extension_types. If s equals s1, this returns false, while if s equals s2 this returns true. As a result, s2.map turns into s2._values.map. Since s2._values is of type datetime_index, the relevant implementation of .map is called. It first tries to call fs2._values, and reverts to s2._values.mapf if an error occurs. In this case, f equals lambda x column x.isoformat x if isinstance x, pd.timestamp, else x. No error occurs because f checks if isinstance s2._values, pd.timestamp, which fails. Hence, fs2._values returns s2._values. Indeed, this can be verified with s2._values is fs2._values equals true. One workaround is to make sure that the pd.api.types.is_extension_type is not called. For example, s.astypeObject.map.
It looks like datetime series are converted to datetime index and then the index passed to the function. Of course the index fails the isinstance check. Output. This does not happens with all series but it seems to depend on the type. Maybe it happens with extension types or only with datetime.
Everyone, a memoria. Прежде чем себя фоксируем.